welcome back to Deadstock Barbershop. Today what I wanted to show you guys was my station. I'm going to show you some of the tools that I use, just showing you guys what's on my station, what I like to use, some of my daily regular go-tos. You guys enjoy this, sit back. So starting with what's on my station, first thing I'm going to point out that this is a Tune 45 wireless charging mat. It charges all of my tools wirelessly. It does require that you have these expansion pads for these spots, as well as the power clips. These plug into the bottom of the clipper in place of your cord. So you plug it in and then you put it on this wireless charging pad, and there you have it. So I use this every day. This is the main thing that keeps me from having a huge mess of wires right here. My number one go-to clipper, if I only had to choose one clipper, it would be these right here. They are zero gapped. So as you can see, when I close my clippers down, so it's actually zero. It's not, you know, a lot of people when they zero gap their masters, they'll be like this a little bit, but mine actually go down to zero, as you can see. And I do have a video on how to mod that. Basically, you either bend or break this piece off, it's up to you, and that will allow it to go past this area that stops it right there, so you can get it all the way down. They cut through anything rotary motor. Right after that, so I do a combination of these. You guys watch my video, so you know I use these and these. I actually have a couple more pair of this style of clipper. This is, the body is different because I have two pairs in one. So I took my black piece and put it on the red clippers, or else it'd be all red like these, which leads me to my trimmers I use. I don't really use these. I don't know why they're on my station, but I try to modify them and now they don't really work like that. Hitters right here, it does not, it has a the blade, the regular blade, not the deep tooth blade on it, because I couldn't get these things when I bought them. They just wouldn't hit for me like that. So this has a replacement gold blade on it as well. It's not the blade that goes to the silver ones like I have. The seniors, I think if I had to pick out of these two clippers, this is my favorite clipper. It works, I think it's stronger, or the bracket that I have on it is for the wall legends. So mine can open up a little longer than your average wall senior or Babyliss clippers can, or your ergos. So it has more range, a little bit closer to my masters. Detachable clippers, I go with the ZRs. Has the multiple speeds on it. Then I got all the blades that I need for it. Then I have some premium guards over here. I also use the Bronze Series 9. My other shaver, I have this that sits on my station over here. JRLs, I'd never really use these at all anymore. Sometimes I use them if I'm like freehanding a beard or a fro, because I do have this surgical blade on them. And so it works really well for that. And then I have the Beam Team cordless compressor XL version. And it is also charging while it's sitting on my mat. Scissors I use, these Mizutani Scorum. And yeah, so this is all, these are my daily tools. This is day number 9. My customer just got here, and so I'm gonna go on and do this haircut, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.